And this question says, in recording the cost of merchandise sold for cash, based on the data available from perpetual inventory records, the journal entry is. Remember, perpetual inventory is going to continuously be updating our inventories. Just a little side lecture. We have periodic inventory versus perpetual inventory. Perpetual inventory is what we see much more often now with the barcoding and computers. When you go through a cash register and they slide that barcode through, not only does it record it up onto the cash register as how much the sale is, it also goes to their inventory records and takes it out of inventory. And then when a case of that comes in, they do a barcode and it puts that case back in inventory. And so they're continually updating it. It updates it as to price and the whole shot. Perpetual or periodic, what we used to do is everything would just be recorded as purchases down on the income statement, and then we'd periodically, as it says, say at the end of the year, go out and count and see what we have, and then we'd make an adjustment. But this one continually adjusts it for us. So we are looking at the, oops, what happened here? Here we go. We're looking at the perpetual inventory records. As I said, those continually measure the flow of the inventory, what we brought in and what we sold. So in recording the cost of merchandise sold for cash based on the data, the entry is going to be a debit to the cost of merchandise sold. So we've got to take it out of our inventory account and move it over to our cost of goods sold. So let's take a look, and I'm going to do some T accounts here. First, I have my merchandise inventory. That's a balance sheet account. It's an asset. And then I have my cost of merchandise sold. That's an expense account. So when I sell it, I'm going to take it out of inventory and I'm going to move it over to cost of goods sold. So the journal entry is going to be a debit to our cost of merchandise sold, and we will credit our merchandise inventory for whatever the respective dollar amount is.